Hey guys, today let's learn how to use Dynamic Island on the iPhone 14. So if you do have the new iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Maxes, those are the devices that actually has the new Dynamic Island feature, which is basically a notch or a oval shaped notch over here on the top center of your screens. Now, if you want to learn how to use this, there are actually a lot of features, and it actually will be integrated with all of your applications. Well, not really all of them, but most of them. So if you are using Spotify, for example, and you were playing some music on the background, so once you play for some music and put it on the background, of course guys, that will actually show on the very top that you are playing that music. Now right now it's not showing because I am using not an iPhone 14, which is an iPhone 11, but for those iPhone 14 users, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough to what Dynamic Island does for your iPhone 14. So one more thing that it also does is once you receive a call from a person, it actually shows the call over here on the Dynamic Island, and of course expands for you to answer or drop the call. Now there are a lot of different features as well, like setting on alarms, setting some stopwatches, and a lot of different more integrated with all of the Apple built-in applications for you to enjoy for the best user experience that you have with the new iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Maxes. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.